What's the meaning of Bentley and Craig? Bentley and Craig. Bentley and Craig.
Bentley and Craig. Bentley and Craig. Bentley and Craig refers to the case of Derek Bentley and Christopher Craig, two British men who were convicted of the murder of Police Constable Sidney Miles in 1952. Bentley was 19 years old at the time of the murder, and Craig was 16. Bentley was hanged for the murder, while Craig was sentenced to life in prison. The case was highly controversial, and Bentley's conviction was overturned in 1998. The case of Bentley and Craig is often cited as an example of the miscarriage of justice. Bentley was mentally impaired, and there is no clear evidence that he intended to kill Miles. Craig, on the other hand, was the one who fired the gun that killed Miles. However, Craig was too young to be hanged, so Bentley was hanged in his place. The case of Bentley and Craig helped to lead to the abolition of the death penalty in Britain in 1965. It is a reminder of the importance of ensuring that all defendants are treated fairly and